the next step towards your handstand journey starts with the wall climb. So what we're going to do is we're going to set up in a push-up position on the floor, either chest on the floor or in this position here. We're going to start to slowly walk 1 foot up the wall. So if we just hold there, then what we're going to do is drive our hips up in the air and then lift the second leg. So we should see a straight line from our heels to our arms, and then we're going to start to slowly walk our hands in. Now, depending on what ability you're at, determines how far in you can get. The end and final progression would be heels together, legs together and squeeze, creating tension. We've got a nice straight line and we should have our nose and our toes on the wall with nothing else. So no quads, we've got no stomach. What we're looking for is a perfect straight line with a small gap between our wall and our stomach and our legs. What we're looking for with our hands is they should be roughly just outside our shoulders. We should be trying to extend the elbow joint forward, and we're trying to press up so we've got our shoulders on our ears and we're getting that full press out there. So come down if you want. So one point of difference we want to look at here with the shoulder. So with a handstand, what we're looking for is a full reach with the arm so that our shoulder's sitting on our ears. We're going to have a slight internal rotation of the shoulder, but we're trying to look for an external rotation from the elbow joint. Now that differs to the jerk, where we actually want to relax our ear away from our shoulder in the jerk and pull our arm down. So for handstand, we're pressing. For the jerk, we're pulling that shoulder back and down, but still trying to always externally rotate from the elbow to create that torque throughout the arm.